In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage data in Airtable, turning a simple grid into a powerful, structured database system. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your base. This is your main workspace, where all your data lives. So start by selecting the base you want to work with from your dashboard. Once you're inside, it's time to enter records. Think of each row as a single item in your database, a contact, a task, or a project. Simply click into the next empty row and start typing to add your data. From there, you'll want to edit fields by adjusting column types. Instead of keeping everything as plain text, change a column to date, checkbox, or single select to make your data more meaningful and easier to sort later. With your data entered and fields set, you can start filtering. This shows only relevant records based on conditions you set, like showing only tasks that are overdue. It's a quick way to cut through the noise. Next, sort your data by priority or date to surface the most important records at the top. You can even group records by status or category, which collapses your data into sections. This is incredibly useful for seeing high-level overviews at a glance, like all your in-progress items together. Now let's talk about views. Airtable lets you create multiple perspectives on the same data without changing anything. You can switch from a grid to a calendar, a gallery, or even a Kanban board. This is where the real flexibility shines. Each collaborator can see exactly what they need. To go a step further, add formulas. Formulas automate calculations like counting days between dates or summing values across fields, saving you manual work. Then, link tables to connect related datasets. For example, link your customer table to your orders table so that each order automatically shows which customer it's for. You can also add attachments per record, uploading files like images or PDFs directly into a cell so everything stays in one place. For team projects, use comments on individual records to collaborate without switching to email or chat. And to make things even clearer, apply color labels to categories so your data is visually organized at a glance. Ready to share? Share your base by inviting collaborators with view or edit permissions so your team can work alongside you. Finally, if you need to work outside of Airtable, export your data as CSV with just a click. And that's your final result. A structured, searchable database system that's far more powerful than a simple spreadsheet. Thanks for watching and happy building.